I cannot wait to show you this model home here in Littleton, Colorado in the Solstice community. Check this out. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek because it's pretty awesome. So this one is in one of my favorite communities. Stick around to the end and I'm gonna share with you and tell you why. And you'll probably see little bits and pieces of it throughout the video. But let me give you the stats on this one before we go take a look. Now this one, I wanna make sure I have the information right for you. This one these are all ranch level floor plans here in this community. This one could be 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3.5 to 4.5 bathrooms. It has a 3-car garage. And this one, the basement is finished on this one. Now this builder is offering an optional finished basement, and they have some right now that there's inventory with basements finished already. So there is obviously an extra cost when you have them finish your basement, but I strongly suggest you do wait until you see it. It's amazing. Now this home is about 2536 square feet. That's the main floor. And then you have the basement square footage, and that square footage is about 1292. So this is a big home, and the views here are incredible. I'm gonna share those with you at the end. Let's go take a look around. You're not gonna wanna miss this one. Oops, I forgot to tell you who I am. I'm Kathy Hansen, a local area realtor. I'm also a suburban mom. I've raised all 3 of my kids here in the Denver metro area in the suburbs, right here in Littleton where I'm standing today. Now let's go take a look at this home. You're not gonna wanna miss this one. this property. Is it not gorgeous? Now, I told you in the beginning I would share at the end why this is one of my favorite communities, and you probably saw it. The views from this community are incredible, and you sit kind of farther out. You feel like you're away from it all, yet you are not very far from all of the amenities you need: grocery stores, shopping, schools, that kind of thing. But we sit sort of in a valley here, is what I'm going to call it, and you get incredible mountain views. And you're also very close to Chatfield State Park. I mean, literally quarter of a mile away. You can walk in to this south entrance, which is where the marina is. So at Chatfield State Park, you can take motorized boats, you can jet ski, you can water ski, you can wakeboard on the lake there, have a ton of fun on the lake, literally 5 minutes from your house here in Solstice. Now, Chatfield State Park has tons of other things to do. You might have seen it on TikTok if you're on TikTok, but this year the water level was really high. So there was so many paddle boarders out in a separate part of the lake, and you literally were paddle boarding amongst the trees. If you haven't seen it, go check it out on TikTok. Put Chatfield State Park paddleboarding, and you'll see people paddleboarding amongst the trees. It was pretty incredible. Now, the state park, they have tons of trails. You see people biking through there, hiking through there, walking through there. There is a separate swim area, a separate swim beach on the lake, so you can go and have kind of a beach day. There's also a separate part of the lake where people come and do their open water swim to train for triathlons. There's a lot to do there at Chatfield State Park, and it literally is right out your front door or your back door, depending on where you sit in the neighborhood here. But this community, Solstice, also sits right on the Highline Canal Trail. Now, the Now, the views, it's amazing. That's what makes Solstice one of my favorite communities ever. Now, you're probably wondering, where does this community sit? So it sits on the south side of Littleton, sits on the south side of the C470 freeway. So you can get to downtown Denver from here in probably 25 to 30 minutes. You've got grocery stores, you've got shopping. Those are going to be, there's some that are about 5-7 minutes away. Mall shopping, Target, things like that, you're looking at about 10 minutes. Mall shopping, you are looking a little bit farther out, about a 20-25 minute drive to the mall, but you have all of the amenities that you need or want here in the Solstice community, all while you're feeling like you're away from it all, which is what makes it one of my favorite. Now, if I can help you with any of the homes here in the Solstice community, there's a lot of them. They have several different floor plans. They're all done by Shea, but there's actually four separate collections. I can't even tell you how many model homes. There's a lot of them. So there's something here for everyone, all different price points as well. Now, if you want more information on any of these properties or any other in the metro area, I would love to help you. I'm Kathy Hansen, a local area realtor. I'm also a suburban mom. All of my contact information is below in the details section and the comments section, and I am the girl who will answer the phone, answer the emails, and the text messages. So please don't hesitate to reach out if I can help you in any way. Now, that's all I have for you today. If you found this video helpful and useful to you, hit that like button. Let me know, please. And if you want to see more of my videos, I do a video every Tuesday about what it's like to live, work, and play right here in the Denver metro area. And every other Friday is a new construction home tour just like this one. go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now, I don't always sound like a frog either. I'm just getting over a cold, so bear with me in my voice. I will be back to normal soon, but if I can help you, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I will see you on the next video.